Alright, so can you monetize YouTube text-to-speech videos? That's exactly what you want to know, and that's exactly what I'm going to tell you in today's video. So if you want to find out if you can make money on YouTube by simply doing text-to-speech videos, meaning that you don't do the voiceover yourself, but you'll do it with a generated voice, keep watching because I'm going to reveal whether this is possible or not, and I'm going to show you examples as well. So keep watching and then let's just dive in. Starting off with the YouTube monetization requirements. So in order to monetize your videos with ads, you need 1,000 subscribers on your channel and your videos need to have generated 4,000 watch time hours over the last 12 months. Now, if you want to monetize your videos with ads, this is what you need. However, you can also monetize your content without ads. So simply, let me just answer the first simple question. Can you make money by doing text-to-speech YouTube videos? Yes, you can. You can always do affiliate marketing. However, you might be here for the question, can you monetize your YouTube text-to-speech videos with ads on the videos? The answer is yes and no. Let me explain how that works. So for example, this channel right there is called Only Best Ones. Now I'll quickly show you what this channel is all about. So as you can see, they're making simple videos about the best specific products within a specific niche. For example, the best black and white photo printer, the best Bluetooth headphones for running, the 5 best mesh office chairs. Now if I just sort by most popular, you'll see that some of these videos actually get thousands and thousands of views through YouTube search. So people go ahead, they go to YouTube, they type in the best and then a product, and their videos will show up. People will click on them and they will then see Amazon products. Now this person is doing Amazon affiliate marketing, so he's definitely making money from this, but is he also making money from the ads on the channel? Well, if I click right here, you can see that the answer is indeed yes. So this is his channel, Only Best Ones. You can see an ad playing on the video. Now, of course, in this day and age on YouTube, we don't know if the channel owner is actually receiving that money or if it is just YouTube putting ads on these videos. However, I'm pretty confident in saying that this channel is indeed monetized because I know it was already monetized before that new rule was here. I've been following this channel for a while and I've seen it monetized from the get-go. Now, I also have a channel like this and it's also TTS and it's also monetized. So I know for a fact that a channel like this can definitely be monetized. Now, if I just quickly click play, you can see that this right there is indeed an ad. Now, if I just click skip ads and then turn on the volume.
What's up, everyone? In this video, we're going to talk about the top best iPhone 12 and 12 Pro cases you can buy on them.
I'm pretty sure that we can all agree that that is indeed a TTS voice. Now, first of all, he's monetizing this with YouTube ads. So this video made money from the ads that just played on the video. However, he also has a ton of links to different products in the description. So you can see these could be about 15 links to different products. If people click on a link like this, it will take them over to Amazon, just like this. If I now go ahead and buy this specific product or any other product from Amazon, within the next 24 hours after clicking on the link, the channel owner is going to earn a commission. Now, how do I know that this actually works? Because I do it myself as well. As you can see, on the 1st of June, I actually made $63 in one day. Now, I own this company with a friend, two friends of mine. I've made videos about this before. I'll leave links to that in the description down below. It's called Amazon Affiliate Marketing. I tried it for 30 days, 90 days, and I'll show you all of the results. However, it simply works. People actually buy this. As you can see, on the first day of June, it hasn't updated yet for yesterday, which is the 2nd of June. In the first day of June, we had 10 total items that actually shipped, which is great. Now, that is pretty much how that works. So can you make money with a TTS channel? Yes, you potentially can. However, let me also go over the different ways you cannot monetize the channel. Because if we simply go over here to the YouTube Partner Program overview and eligibility, we can simply scroll down and see all of the requirements that you need in order to monetize your content. Now, you need to make sure, of course, that the channel follows the policies and guidelines from YouTube. YouTube doesn't allow you to keep using the same content over and over again. So they don't allow reuse content on the platform to be monetized. So that means that if you keep creating the same kind of video over and over again, and I don't mean a series. So for example, if I would make another video with this exact same title, but the video itself is different, that is not a problem. But if I would use these same clips, so the same footage from this video in another video of mine, that is indeed reused content, or just content that you keep using over and over again without actually adding value, that is not allowed. So if you start using a TTS over and over again and you just keep using the same audio files, that is not allowed and you cannot monetize that content. So you always need to make sure to add value to content in some sort of way. Now, there are so many rules on here. As you can see, there's so many rules. However, what I recommend doing if you're going to do TTS is have a pretty decent TTS. I always use this one right there, which is called Speedcello. Speedcello is great for TTS. It is actually pretty decent, so I would recommend going with Andrew. For that, you would use the top tier plan, which is actually pretty expensive. It's like $250. However, you can use it forever, so it's not like a monthly fee. And if you're then going to start creating scripts and start creating content, make sure that it actually sounds pretty decent and make sure that the TTS adds value. If you're going to use it to mass produce content, that is not what YouTube likes. However, if you're just going to use it to make valuable content with actual like I said, like actual value to the viewer, that is going to be fine. If you're going to do tutorial videos with TTS, that is totally fine. Videos like this with TTS, that is totally fine. However, if you're just going to convert articles into like a video, into a script, into a voiceover, just like use some random images, that is not too great. So can you monetize TTS? Yes, you can. You definitely can, 100%. However, can you monetize any type of channel with TTS? No, definitely not. However, that is the case on YouTube itself. Like, you cannot monetize any type of channel. It needs to fit within the guidelines in order to monetize your content with YouTube ads. You can always monetize it through affiliate marketing, brand deals, or any other way, however, not through ads. So hopefully this video answers that question. If it did, please leave a like on the video. That really helps me out in the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this one, where I go over YouTube or just like making money on YouTube. I have some more videos about this. I'll leave them in the description down below. If you want to go ahead and check them out, you can do so in the link down below. However, that is it for now, guys. I'll see you hopefully in that next video. Have a good day.